Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the second way to, to make a table centerpiece. I'm going to be using two basic items. This is a chloroform and a candle. You're going to light this candle up, this lid, and has a battery, and then you put it inside the glass, like that. And then you're going to take your chloroform, secure it inside the glass like that for more, like that, okay? And then you're going to start planting the flowers. I normally like to start with the leaves, yeah, like this ones. You plant them all around the chloroform. So when you're done planting in the leaves, now you go in with the baby breath. I've pre-cut them to smaller sizes. They look like this. When you're done planting in the baby breath, now you go in with your flowers to fill in the spaces. The last thing you want to be seeing is the chloroform, so you have to fill in the spaces properly, okay? Right, let's do that. Okay, you're going to take your flowers like this, and then you plant them in to hide all the spaces. It's because you're making a flower stand, the centerpiece, you're not making a flower foam stand, so you don't want to be seeing that, right? In the flower, this is the final look. It's very nice with the light, as you can see. Looks very simple, yet very nice. Yeah? Now, all you got to do is place this at the center of your table.